once again, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, at a show right now and asking people random questions to see what they think about it. All right? Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
What's your name? How people can find you?
My name is Jordan. You can find me on Instagram at BleasingKing88.
What's up, man? My name's Trevor, bro. Instagram handle is B16HakoSuka, man.
Chun-Lai, and I go by the handle Midori Momo on Instagram.
My name's Charles, JGI_EK9.
Perfect.
My name is Richard. You can follow my business at Wired Home Solutions.
Beefy, Instagram at Beefy1.
All right, random questions. All-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or front-wheel drive?
If I had to pick one, I'm a rear-wheel drive guy. I grew up in the sport of drifting and sliding cars, so it was more fun.
Okay.
All right, so I love rear-wheel drive. I love all-wheel drive, but I'm a fan of driving front-wheel. Front-wheel, hella weird, bro. Way different than wheel. Sometimes not as fun, but you take a corner in a front-wheel drive car, you're staking,
I'm
bro.
about to say, like, the benefit is you can take corners.
And you can take
You're being
corners.
pulled into it.
Yeah,
But
it's fun.
off a dig, you're spinning.
You're spinning.
In a couple gears waiting to catch up. and-
Yup. If you're drag racing, all-wheel. If you're having fun, front-wheel.
All-wheel?
Front wheel.
Front-wheel?
Front wheel, I'm a Honda boy.
Okay. You know what in a dig, you guys are spinning and trying to catch up.
True, but I don't like going fast. I like going slow and low and just enjoying the day.
Got you. You're cruising.
Yeah.
Cruising. Okay.
Yeah, that's the cars we have here. They're slow. They're slow, man. Nothing crazy or anything like that. We have other cars that do those things, but this is what we enjoy.
All right. So all-wheel drive over here. He likes to launch. He likes to do canyons. He likes to. Why that? Just because you have control, or what's the reason?
Control, traction, and if you're launching, you're getting full grip.
All right. Import or domestic?
Import, all day. I don't hate on domestic, but import is the way to go. You want a fun car, get it imported, man. Yeah, I mean, domestic cars are cool and all, but that's a 5,000-pound boat, so.
Import, of course. I'm an import guy. Domestic is good. I like domestic. I'm a fan of domestic cars, but I grew up in the import car scene, building Nissans.
Okay. Lexus or Nissan?
Lexus.
Lexus? Lexus? All right. Yeah, we should have known. We should have known.
I'm a Nissan guy.
Already gave that one away right there.
I've had a couple Lexuses, IS, GS, LS, but I'm a Nissan guy. I'm a Z guy.
It's gonna be Nissan with me, man. I always will be. I love Nissan, bro. They're the underdogs. They make the cars, but they make the fastest cars. I'll tell you that right now.
All right. Supra or Lambo?
I'm a Supra guy. I'll take a Supra over Lambo.
Supra.
Supra, Lambo?
Supra.
Supra. Why Lambo?
It's a supercar. I wouldn't consider a Supra a supercar, so.
Supra.
Supra, for sure. I'm not a fan of supercars. I like build, not buy.
Turbo or supercharged?
If you have an LS or a Chevy or American car, supercharger. If you're doing import, boosted.
Supercharged.
Supercharged. Okay.
Supercharged, easier to maintain.
Turbo. Easier to install on a Civic.
Okay. Easy to maintain, easier to install.
Turbo.
Turbo. What?
The bull valve.
Okay.
Shift you here.
Yeah.
Oh, turbo. 100%. I like supercharged, pro-charged even, but I'm a big fan of the turbo, man. When you're hitting boost, it's the way to go.
All right, last question. 2JZ or RB?
RB all day. I'm a Nissan guy. RB, man. Can't beat the sound. Supras, the 2J has a really high potential for horsepower. The RB sounds better.
2JZ.
Yes.
All right, perfect.
B18C.
Oh, he switched it up. Okay. Honda boy. Honda boy right there.
RB.
RB?
Yeah.
A K20.
Okay.
I'm going to K20.
Switching it up, man.
RB26, RB25, RB20 even. I'll take all three before a 2J. 2Js are cool, don't get me wrong, but I don't want reliability when I'm racing. It's fine. I'll break my. That's the point of racing.
So he likes to be the underdog, and he likes things to break so he can fix it. He's more of a hands-on type of man.
Hey man, that's fun, bro.
Perfect, man. Thank you. Appreciate
thank
you.
you, man.
Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys. I appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
Indeed. Thank you. All right, you heard what everybody had to say. Leave in the comment section if you agree with them. If you think differently, let me know your answer and why. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for tuning in. Big Daniel, Airport Life Media. Like I said, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do that. And follow me on IG. It's Import Life Media. All right, y'all. Till next time, and we'll see what questions I come up with next. Stay blessed.